Hi guys, Harley from Teleprompter Mirror. Today I'm going to share with you two powerful pieces of equipment that can take your badass rock star cover YouTube videos to the next level. First, I'm going to start by unboxing the Fret Zealot, which is simply an interactive LED strip that attaches to universally any size acoustic guitar or electric guitar. And it literally works by showing you where you need to put your fingers by light. So let's open it up. So the first power tool would be the Fret Zealot, and that helps you play the guitar. The second one would be something that we make right here in-house, and that is our presidential teleprompter. And this allows you to see your lyrics and the chord that you're supposed to be playing at the same time. So if you're doing a concert or a live show, you can set this up somewhere in the close distance and see everything that you need to play all on the screen. So unboxing the Fret Zealot has super cool packaging, simple product description with several languages. Right. So it has a quick install guide, which we will need shortly. Where is it? This is where the LED strip is supposed to be. I also got the included guitar. Maybe the LED strips are already on the guitar. So moving forward, hoping that the LED strips are already on the guitar and gonna save us some time. Well, this is awesome. So if you were just purchasing this by itself, all these components would come in this box. What's the word? Alright, so I'm assuming that the LED strips are already assembled on there. They are. So this is a big time saver if you were to order the guitar with it, because simply all I have to do is take this wrapping off, plug it in, and it should be ready to go. So now we're gonna plug it in, see how it works. Okay, moving on. The presidential teleprompter is for rock stars. When you're tired, you're on the road, and you really just want something to have your back. Now, say you're in the recording studio and you're comfortable and you're sitting down playing your music, but you need something to record you. When you're recording rock videos for YouTube, or say you're in the studio, our executive teleprompter is just like our presidential teleprompter, but it has a camera right behind the beam splitter mirror to record you and give you that direct eye contact that you're looking for. Alright guys, this is Harley, Rockstar from Teleprompter Mirror. If you want any more exclusive tips or reviews, log on to telepromptermirror.com right now. That's a wrap. I'm Audi 5000.